case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 1960 Minnesota Supreme Court case Johnson v. Seifert dealt with a dispute between riparian owners over their right to use intertract lake waters. The plaintiff claimed the right to use the entire surface of both lakes for various activities, but the trial court determined that they did not have the right to access the waters overlying the defendant's portion of the lakebed for activities such as fishing, swimming, or watering cattle. The plaintiff appealed the judgment, arguing that they had the right to use and enjoy the water and entire surface of the lake against the rights of another owner. The lakes in question were unmeandered, approximately 35 acres in area with no inlet or outlet. The defendants owned all the land surrounding one lake, while several parcels of land owned by others abutted the other lake. The Minnesota Supreme Court held that riparian owners had the right to use the entire lake surface in common, provided it was reasonable and non-interfering. The ownership of the lakebed was deemed irrelevant, with the court focusing on the idea that as a riparian owner of a portion of a lake, one has the right to use the entire surface of the lake in common with other owners, as long as it's reasonable and doesn't interfere with the rights of others. Ultimately, the court affirmed the plaintiff's right to use both lakes for domestic or recreational purposes, and allowed the defendants to use the waters for irrigation under the condition that they did so reasonably and without interfering with the plaintiff's use of the lakes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.